Alright guys, we did it again. The Envoy has been put to work a little bit. Other than me kind of woo-woo and hee-hee. That was after the fact that I put that trailer back there. Don't worry about that little child. He's the junior of Larry the Cable Idiot. I mean, don't worry about that. Anyways, the point of this video is after moving around, it was fine when I took it out to the street with the trailer hooked up earlier. But then when I got to it, after all the belly washing rain we had, now there has been a check engine code for the camshaft positioning sensor, which I'm hoping that's all it actually is. Oil life. Oh well. But the 251,000 miles that are on this thing, it is running like complete crap. Vehicle door ajar. No, it's a door, not a jar. Anyways, I got back out to it, and it has been running, like I said, like crap. Hoping that it's that cam sensor, which I'll change. How I just opened that. I don't think that's the way you're supposed to open that, but I opened the hood just so maybe you guys can hear it. You can even see right down to the misfire. Tigger, go on, dude. Come on, go to the house. You too. Let's go, Rose. Let's go, guys. Let's go over to the house. Look, they're going to build shit. Tigger, go. House. Okay, she literally went to the house. Polar, call your dog. Anyways, back to it. This is running like crap. Lacking power. I'll get the OBD scanner here in a little bit. Motor shake. I don't know if you can see it in the video. Definitely doing some jumping around. But anyways, the camshaft positioning sensor is in the hole. Pull that out of there. Alright, hold on guys. Put this hood up. Watch the video here. Hold on there. Pull that sensor back. While I'm plugging this. Oh, like I said, it's exactly that. But that's been coding for like that for a little while. Wow. Just jumping my little kickstand around. God. Sorry, truck. Sorry, truck. No, I'm not. You're gonna go to work after I fix it. Oh, and the struts are like really bad in this thing. As all the kids like doing, I'm gonna stand on the side here. And actually, shut it off just so you can actually hear. Other than the struts are actually leaking, have it leaked out of it that bad? I'd actually almost guess that they were original. But that's just me doing that. Anyways, that's a little bit of a rundown on this thing until we get the scanner on it and I figure out what that code is and go from there. Smash it out.